Want to show off your bike, custom truck, or car? Or maybe just see a great show? Then don't miss the Big Minton Fair Labor Day weekend, because Saturday, September 5th is the biggest one-day car and bike show in the state, and all smack dab in the infield of the Michigan International Speedway. You can even join the party and take your bike for a parade lap around the world's fastest NASCAR track. Come and camp with friends and family or just stay for a day, but don't miss the show of a lifetime. Register your own bike, car, truck in the show until 2 p.m. on Saturday, September 5th. Visit BigMintonFair.com.